Yeah man, the airlift compressor this you know. Just do a test on it a while ago to make sure it'll work. Yeah, run straight current to it. Positive, negative. I mean, straight from the battery. On them two lead there. One here so and one there so. So as I say red and black, same thing in here so. So the pumper work. Run a straight current to it, but I'm not getting no operation out of it when we start it. So that's the problem, you know. If we check the electronic, the wiring and connections and fuse and relays and all them things, they have to make sure say you're not gonna blow, or if you see what blow, I should say. Yeah. So this is where it come from. Right behind the back wheel. Yeah. So this is the main outlet line. So when the compressor operates, it pump down here, so send it through up here, so I exit through this line. This is the output port. The compressor pump. This is the motor. So the motor spin a piston in here, so piston move up and down, creating compression or air pressure, and it come all the way through this and come out. Copy, copy. So the cylinders, let me show you earlier, I did burst, install a new one, install the next side, everything alright with it. So that's the one side I alone did burst. You know what I mean?